How to fix the issue you have been blocked or you are unable to access discord.com issue. Let's get started. Firstly, you can check the Discord status. For that, open any of the browser and then type in Discord status and search for it. Click on this website option, Discord status. Now from here, you can check the Discord system if all these systems are operational or not. If there is no issue over here, what you can do is you can jump into these solutions. At the bottom left, you'll find the search box. Over there, type in Windows Update and click on this option of check for updates and update your Windows. Likewise, again click on the search box and over there type in firewall. Click on this option firewall and network protection. Here you will find this option of domain network. Click on it. Now you have to toggle off for this option of Microsoft Defender firewall. Heading towards next solution, open your preferred browser where you use the Discord, and then at the top right corner you will find three dots. Click on it. Navigate to the option of extension. Click on manage extension. Now from this page you have to delete any of the extension that you think might have been causing this issue. Just click on remove. Again click on remove, and just with that your problem will be solved. Heading towards last solution, what you can do is open a new tab. Then click on three dots, click on the option of clear browsing data. Check in for all these options and then click on the option of clear data. Once you clear browsing history, you will be good to go. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. Well, this is how you can fix or you have been blocked or you are unable to access discord.com issue. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.